So what's up? We are back. You're probably looking at the screen thinking, why am I on the left hand side? Well, if you look onto your right, you'll probably see that they're the objectives, and I found the last two videos we did on this beautiful, amazing game, my head was pretty much covering half of it. So I changed the other side. But anyway, so last where we were, I can't really talk right now. We were pretty much trying to get this boat sorted. Well, I assume it's this boat, so we can sail on it. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. We just finished fixing this thing. Well, it's not there anymore. It's given to this guy, so he can pretty much do it, so we can get out of here and go on the seas and look for our son as well as our own father.
Well, you heard him, Will. Go grab the starter spark plug from the warehouse. It's on the shelf at the far end. Just a heads up. The place is a bit messy. You know how it is.
No problem. I'll go grab it now.
Use the hoist, You won't be able to get the box with the spark plug down by yourself. It's the only yellow one over there. Check with Abe on how to operate it.
Yeah, sure.
Why can't Abe do it? Why am I, the inexperienced boatman, supposed to do it? I'm just a lighthouse operator.
Ben told me to check with you about the hoist.
Oh yeah. Probably to lower the box with the spark plugs.
Maybe you should do it yourself?
Well, my hands are shaking so bad, I'll mess up the whole workshop. Hoist control panel is upstairs.
Does it work?
Of course. If anything's missing, look around the storage racks.
Okay.
Of course it's me who has to do it.
Also, don't put boxes from the shelves on the floor. The hoist can't reach that low, and we can't risk dropping them.
Got it.
Great, so we've got a whole frickin' puzzle to do. Okay, so upstairs. Assume it's up these stairs.
So the spark plugs are in the yellow box down there at the bottom.
Yellow box down there at the bottom. Alright.
Finding anything here is going to be really tough.
Fuck's sake. Yellow box. Yellow box. Where is this yellow box? Should we retrieve the spark plug? Okay, yellow box. Well, there's a yellow box right there. Spark plug. Okay. Jesus Christ.
Sure, he says it's working. Feels like it's not. Sure, he
Why
says
isn't
it's
it
working.
working?
Feels like it's not. Sure,
He says
it's working.
Feels like it's not. Alright, I guess we just follow the cable, I suppose. Okay. By the way, I am having a lot of fun playing this game. It's very unique. It reminds me of oh my god, I keep forgetting the name of that fucking game. The one you're on the oil rig, and I was looking at it the other day. So I was like, oh, I really want to play it. Where is it? Calm Wakes the Deep. I think that's it. If you've ever played it, my goodness, it is a phenomenal game, and it reminds me of this so much. What's that? Is that not a freaking fuse? It just reminds you of this game so much. Oh, we've found another one of the boats.
Ben's boat. What the hell's it doing in the warehouse? He begged me forever to build it. Now it's just stored away.
What's this? Emergency light. Okay. Well, I can't really see. Okay, so it's on that table. I think we can see the cable. It goes there, but where does it go to? It's so dark in this game. I reckon this is going to be one of those montages where it's just speed ran.
Sure, he says it's working. Feels like it's not.
Some jumper cables. No, that's what we do. Don't know why it's coming up.
I can't imagine this place without Greg. It's a shame he's leaving.
Okay, so that's what we have to use. Well, that's what we have to get right there. Just this yellow crate, which has got the spark plugs in it. But we can't seem to work this thing just yet.
Sure, he says it's working. Feels like it's not.
Which, if you can see right there, that's where it goes. But we just don't know where. It's like we need a light to be able to see it, but we don't have a freaking light, do we? Alright. Jesus Christ. I just can't freaking see it. Okay, we're going to search everywhere to get this. Okay. I'm going to go talk to someone. I need help.
I won't be able to fix it without that part.
Well, how the okay, you know what? Maybe the harbour can help us. Get the ship log from the bartender.
I'm going to the bar. Abe lost Molly's logbook.
Ooh, sorry it turned out this way. I should have held on to it myself.
It's alright, things happen.
Okay. Gone to the bar. Have to go to the bar. From the bartender. Well, okay, so if that's... Wait, hang on. When we spoke to the bartender last, wasn't he saying that he doesn't really... That's not... He's not on? Like, he's just covering for him? I don't know. We're going to try to figure this out. Maybe he's back. Hey, buddy. Hey, God's sakes. Do I have to go behind the bar to speak to this guy?
Hey, the bar's closed. No hanging around here.
I know, sorry. Abe lost my boat's logbook around here, and I'm trying to find it.
Abe. Yesterday he was drinking like it was his last day. No wonder he lost something.
So, do you know where I could find it?
I don't know. I got bigger problems right now. The system's gone down. My dad went to the camp, check on my mom, left me in charge. I can't figure this out. Hasn't made the bars shut. People really need it.
Hey, don't blame yourself. Let's help each other out. I'll check the supply system, and you look for Abe's bag, alright?
Okay. Come on in. Here's the system. Seems to be running, but nothing's coming through the taps. I'll go look for the logbook.
Okay. Go.
The beer lines. I need to take a closer look at it.
For fuck's sake, how am I supposed to do this? Okay. Did I just... Did I just fix it? Holy shit, that was easy. Yeah.
All set. Now the bartender just has to tap the kegs.
Let's drink some beers, boys. That was the bartender. Oh, here he is.
Couldn't find Abe's bag, but this logbook is definitely yours.
Ooh. Got a
Oh,
logbook.
great. Just what I needed. The system's ready. You're good to go.
Thanks a ton. I don't know what I would have done without you. Now I can finally open the bar again.
You've helped me a lot too. Good luck. Your dad's lucky to have you by his side.
Okay, so we've got the logbook. Let's go get that spark plug. God, so much back and forth in this game. I feel like there's going to be a lot of editing. Yeah, I think I spoke...
Booze has caused me nothing but problems. That's why I stay away from it.
Good man. We didn't need to see him. So I was saying in maybe the last episode, can't really remember.
Now all that's left is to get to the harbour master.
But talking about this game, playing it back in the day, it was really like talking about it. What the hell am I talking about? So it's been a weird day. So we had this game. Basically, I saw a trailer for it, the PS5. No idea it was on Steam.
So, did you find a spark plug?
Not yet. It's such a mess here, I almost got lost myself.
Oh, my apologies, Will. So,
Not...
oh,
Okay. Okay, let's try and figure out. Okay. No, we've got to figure this out. So I literally still have no idea. I think he said if you're looking for anything, look around here. There we go. Now we can take it. Retrieve the spark plug. Okay. God damn it. Alright. Now these things. Hang on, what's going on? The fuck? Why is it doing this? Retrieve the spark plug. Okay.
Sure, he says it's working. Feels like
Oh,
it's
for
not.
God's sakes. God damn it. So, remember correctly, you gotta do it like... Okay. Oh, no, not that one. Nope, not that one. Let's try this one. No. God's sakes. Oh my god. I'm already lost. Okay. Oh. God damn it. Okay. Got this time.
Hey, who cut the power?
Oh shit.
I nearly had a heart attack. Was that you, Will?
Abe, what the hell's going on with the power?
Okay. Oh, for God's sakes. Okay. I'm sick of being the man who has to fix everything around this bloody place. Who's
The backup power's failing. After the mudslide, the whole port's been running on backup generators. Even brought in a ship. Go check what's going on.
Why don't you go? I'm not a port employee after all.
That's a lighthouse ship. Right up your alley.
Motherfucker. Okay. Restore Harper's power supply through a panel on the lighthouse strip. Jesus Christ. I assume we have to go all the way back down there. Oh wait, no, we've got a lighthouse here. Jesus Christ, I thought... Oh, my goodness. On the boat. Alright. Calm wakes the deep.
Oh,
I'm
I
pretty
like
positive
that
that's
shit.
what it's called.
I'd be happy to work on something like that.
Yeah, good game if you want to play an absolute horrific game set in an oil rig surrounded by water. How do I get in this fucking place? Okay. Is there a door here? Could we go through here? Alright. Oh, here we go. Alright.
This is the port's electrical layout.
Love
I
a
think if I
puzzle.
activate all 3 lines, the power will come back.
Okay. Oh, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Surely that's it. Yeah, alright, we did it. Okay, we fixed it. Oh, God, I love these games of all the little puzzles. Just so fun, so amazing. Reminds me of, you know, I think that's why I love the Resident Evil games so much. Because you just have all these puzzles and it's got a great story. You know any games where it's full of puzzles and kind of like this, they're right up my alley, send them my way.
I won't be able to.
Okay, just act like nothing's happened. Jesus Christ. Okay. Now we can get the spark plug.
Sure, he says it's working.
Oh, for fuck's sake.
Feels like it's not.
Do you have to do this shit all over again? Fuck. Why is my... Oh. See, I don't know, because I think it's trying to, like, connect with my controller. Hang on. There you go. Haha, now you got nothing. Disconnect the controller and it will work. Okay, if I remember correctly, it's...
Great. Now I can use the hoist.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, my PlayStation controller was connected. There we go. So I think we can drop here. Is that how this works? He did say that I don't think there was enough space, but there should be. Okay, I've got the spark plugs.
Alright, just have to get this spark plug over to Abe.
Okay, we got it, I guess. Here you go.
Good
Fix my
job.
boat.
I knew you could do it. Now I'll put it on the boat.
How much longer will the repair take?
Not really sure. You can rest on the couch for a bit. When else will you get the chance?
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now we can rest. Let's go sleep.
Hey, Will, wake up. I need your help.
I wasn't sleeping. I just had my eyes closed.
Cheers, Christ. Am I Thomas?
Well, that's good. Come here. Will, look at the chart. Where do you think we are right now?
How am I supposed to know? The chart is huge and we're
Oh, wait,
just probably tiny dots on it.
I'm the
See
little
these
boy.
numbers?
I'm Will when
They're
he's
our
younger.
coordinates. The first one is latitude. It goes from the bottom of the chart to the top.
Okay, got it so far.
Now, the second one is longitude. It goes from right to left. Come on, try to figure out where we are on the chart.
Okay. Well, do I have coordinates?
All right, let's mark it on the chart and figure out where our home is.
Okay, they're the current coordinates. Okay, so 67, so I guess that's about here somewhere. Hang on, how does that work? Yeah, I know that. That's what I'm trying to look at. Okay, 68. Bottom up. Hang the fuck on, hang on. Yeah, I know that. 68 and then 30, so it has to be here. Are we here? Oh, wait.
Good job.
Literally
son.
says right there.
Cool, but how do we figure out exactly where we need to go from this?
Well, we heading home, right? Find an island or land along that line on the chart that could work for us. It should be pretty close.
Okay, oh, right here. Just tells us.
Okay, marked it on the chart.
Okay, exit the cabin.
What is this thing?
Let's get out of here.
Son, let's start by raising the anchor.
I know where it is. The anchor's up on the bow.
All right, let's go.
Raise the anchor. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Dad, I'm so glad we got to visit Mum with the expedition.
Yeah, she was very happy to see us. Come here.
Hope I don't fall into the water.
A boat's a complex machine where every part directly affects how we move. Right now, we're running on the engine. Hey, Will, come closer to the control panel. This shows the speed of the boat and how much damage she's taken.
What's that red arrow?
That's the direction we need to go. That's exactly why we plot a course on the chart, so we always know where we're in.
Oh, let's go. Going straight forward.
Dad, how do we go faster without slowing down these waves?
That's why we've got sails. Go raise them. I'll take that.
Raise the sails.
The
Okay.
sails are attached to the main mast.
Hey man, I thought you were taking over. Okay.
Whoa, that's beautiful, Dad.
Now, come back here, son. Get back at the helm.
Come back here, son.
We're sailing way faster now. This is so cool.
Well, that's what I was talking about, see?
Yeah, I see it.
I don't know why this dude hates
This
his dad
shows
so
the
much.
wind
Seems so
direction.
nice.
We go faster when the wind hits the sails from the side, perpendicular to them.
What?
A 90-degree angle. The wind's coming this way, and the sail is like this. That's perpendicular. Got it?
I think so.
Okay. Now, try to move the sail like I showed you. Use these ropes and the posts to pull it.
Okay. Oh, these ones?
Dad, am I doing it right?
Yes, you're doing great. All right, now let's lower the sails.
Is it hard? Can I do it?
Sure you can. Go ahead. Then we can start the engine.
I'm off to lower the sails.
Wait, don't rush. See this mechanism above the speed gauge?
Yes.
The rope on the left controls the back sail, the main sail. The two on the right control the front sail, the generator. Go on, take the left winch handle and turn it slowly.
This is easier than I thought.
I'm doing it very slowly. Wait, hang on. Wait, what the fuck am I supposed to do? Use A&D to direct... Okay, alright.
Well done. Go ahead and start the engine now.
Yes. Thanks, Dad.
Now, it's... Ah, okay. That's it.
Hey, Will, you sleep your life away. Your Molly's ready. Good as new.
Thanks so much, Ben. I don't even know how to thank you.
Oh, no worries. Bring Thomas along later. He can help out and consider it settled,
Sounds good, mate.
Okay. Mark the route in the cabin map. Okay. Which... What's this?
Dad never held back when it came to Molly. I'm grateful for that now.
Okay, let's get our supplies.
Looks like it's gonna rain again. Probably another storm. Time to go find Thomas. I need to track him down and finally have a talk with Dad.
Okay, we got our things. Let's talk to...
Just came back to say thanks again.
Oh, well, forget about it. This is my job. Of course I had to help you. I'll be waiting to hear your story about the journey. I'll be waiting.
Okay. Alright. Mark the route in the cabin map. Okay. Yeah, you never catch me sailing in real life. I had a friend north of Queensland and we went on his boat when I was up there back in, I want to say 2009, 2008 maybe, I can't remember. But essentially he was like, we went way out and he showed me, oh shit, the boat's out. Oh, why is the boat out? And he showed me pretty much this video of him catching pretty much like a shark, like a big white boiner, and it scared the shit out of me. And ever since then I'm like, you know what, it's not happening. Not swimming. Is that our boat right there? I think that might be our boat. Well, I'd assume it is. But yeah, ever since then I'm just like, you know what, you won't catch me dead in a boat out in the middle of nowhere. Not doing it. Even in video games, it's horrific. Okay, that's definitely our boat, right?
Molly,
It is.
I missed you.
Hell yeah,
Hope
let's
Babe
go.
treated you well.
Oh shit, we're on the boat. Here we go. Gorgeous. Okay. Sit. Let's sort this out. Oh, wait. Can't fucking do it. Okay, wait. What's that? Okay. Took the vessel in for maintenance. Fuck me. Alright. Okay. Awesome. What am I reading all that? Okay, so current coordinates, which is... what, here? Mark the route in the map in the cabin. Where the fuck am I going? That's the thing. Okay, so we should be about here. Yes. And I think where we're heading... here? Oh, yeah, of course. Pretty much, yeah, the island. I think, yeah, that's where he took him. Okay, untie the yacht from the dock. Let's go. Like I said, you'll never catch me sailing, but I'm super excited for this. Space, undock. Alright, we're getting the hell out of here. Okay. Okay, what am I doing? Alright. So pretty much that red is where we're going, from what I understand.
There's not much space, but it is really cozy. Not any worse than the lighthouse. At least there's none of Greg's stuff here.
Amazing. Look, I don't really know how to do all this. Okay. So this is all like our... let's stay on track. About here, I reckon. This is epic. Gotta get this thing straight, man. Wait, oh, we can actually skip
Thomas.
sailing.
I'll be there soon. I promise. Wait for me.
Interesting. Well, that was fun, but I completely forgot my sailing skills. All right.
Dad taught me everything about the sea. Lighthouses, sailing. I tried to forget him, but he keeps coming back, asking for forgiveness. But it's so hard to forgive after all those years of ignoring him. But now I'm sailing to find my son, and I'll be better. Dad used to say, go towards the light when you don't know where to go, so I'm going. I'm going.
Alright, let's have a bit of a tour, huh? So what have we got around here? Ah, I assume this is where we, all the boats we find, they go here. What's this? Okay, that must be something we collect. Got our supplies here. We can just have a lay down here. Oh, it looks like it's daytime outside. Let's go outside. Interesting. Sounds like me to follow the buoys. Okay. God, this game is gorgeous. Look at the water, man. How are we? Jeez, the music is fucking haunting.
First the storm, now this fog. It's getting tougher and tougher to navigate. The water, it's gorgeous. Oh my god. Nice blue water. What the hell's that? Is that a whale? I think I see it. I'll need to approach carefully and get that light going.
Turn on the engine to move without wind. Pretty positive I turned on
Look
the
at all
engine.
these birds. This place looks familiar. It's Bird Island. Ela used to work here.
Alright, we found the dock. Jesus Christ. Alright, we're here. Boat's looking good. Absolutely no damage. Okay, what's this? Welcome to the Biological University Ornithology Research Station. Here you'll find information about our ongoing research and the fascinating bird life on this island. As our guest, we kindly ask you respect the delicate ecosystem and equipment. Your care ensures we don't disturb the birds in their natural habitat. Dr. Killian, Professor of Ornithology, I think, is that how you say it? P.S. Remember to bring the fuel for the lighthouse when you arrive. A half cask should be plenty. Okay.
They really care about the people who come here, don't they? I need to figure out how to get the fuel upstairs. They could have left the instructions.
Well, where is the fucking fuel? That's what we try to. Find a way to get top of the island. Okay.
This crane's used to lift if that's massive. I can use that to climb up onto the ledge.
Okay, alright. That's fucking massive. Okay, what am I doing? Oh, am I picking up the fuel with this? Yeah, alright, how do I... Oh, wait, do I think... Okay. I'm supposed to... No? Alright. Okay, interact with the hook and detach the cargo. Am I supposed to, like, fucking... Okay. Okay, we don't know. Where am I taking it? Is it something about... Okay, am I supposed to put it there? Take it to the ledge. Okay. Hang on. Let's exit this for a second. We're supposed to use this for something. To climb up on the ledge. What fucking ledge is this guy talking about? Ledge. Let's have a look around here. What's around here? This looks like a bit of a puzzle we'll probably have to do. These look like bird cages.
Another planet? Strange. I don't remember Thomas bringing this here. Maybe Ela took it. I kept wondering where this went.
Getting all our boats back.
I once asked Ela what her idea of the perfect boat was. Of course it's locked.
For God's sakes. Alright, I think we have to take that down there. That would make sense, wouldn't it? Okay, alright, so for God's sakes, okay. Okay. I think maybe we're supposed to keep that up here. Makes sense, wouldn't it? Pretty sure we have to... We'll find out, won't we? Oh, it all makes sense now. Okay. Okay. Okay, can I... For God's sakes. All right. What a terrible job at this. Okay. Okay. Let's drag it.
I still don't understand why Ela liked it here so much.
Okay, I think we've... Yes, alright. Climb up. Alright, we did it. Okay, now does this mean I can go in here? No, I think we have to figure that part out. Find a way to get to the top of the island. Oh, we'll figure that out. It's around here. Can I go right now? Okay.
I need to go even higher. I wonder who left this tape here.
Take that. Oh shit, we got a recorder.
A thick fog hangs over the island. The air around is heavy and moist, as if you were inhaling water droplets. At night, constant coughing fits make it hard to breathe. I lie there listening to the generator humming quietly downstairs. The radio doesn't work. And the ship won't come.
There's no way to get to the other side. I'll have to find another way.
I'm all alone. The thought that
Ela. I missed your voice so much. If it weren't for our fight, you wouldn't be sick. I'm so angry with myself.
There's a box right there. Jesus Christ, this isn't scary at all.
That was close. Got to figure out how to get back to Molly now.
We'll find a way, don't worry. Let's see what this is. Another tape. Lovely.
the wind is...
Hang on.
The house is...
Ela. That's how it happened. You were trapped. All alone.
Time is
I
it?
can't believe I'm here.
Man, it is getting
After
late.
everything that's happened.
Oh, this is something we're going to have to figure out, isn't it? If you forget the code, just do some bird watching. P.S. They use the binoculars located on the island for this. Okay, Jesus Christ. Ah, of course we don't know what the freaking code is. Let's figure that out, shall we? Oh wait, hang on. We got
Locked.
no,
Of
alright.
course.
Okay. Ooh, there's some eggs. Hmm. What is that? It's like a square almost. Okay. Hang on, where the eggs gone? Here they are. I reckon this is 1, 2. Oh, here we go. 3. So we've got a 3. Okay, 3. I'd imagine we're counting by eggs, so it'll probably be, there's a 1. So there's 3 eggs there. 1, 2, 3. There's a number 3. That would make sense. 1 egg there, so I'd imagine that would be 1. So I imagine it's something 1, 3. Okay, let's try 0, 1, 3. I swear to God, if it's that, that has to be the biggest freaking fluke ever. It's something 1, 3. Fuck, maybe I'm wrong. Jesus. Okay, come on, let's figure this out. Unless there's other cameras there. There's other binoculars there. So we've got a 3. Okay, can we go down? Yes, we can. Jeez, God's sakes. What's this?
Fuel tanks are empty.
Okay. Oh, can we use this? Oh, wait, there's more there. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So,
Fuel pipes. I wonder where they go.
so we've got 3. Is there another one over here? Oh, what have we got? Oh, more tapes. Okay.
It's sunny outside. The fog has lifted and the air is easier to breathe.
Let's turn that off. Okay, we've got another one. So 3. Three, 1. Okay. 3, 1. Jeez, where are we? Holy shit.
Fuel system in my lighthouse is simpler.
What the hell did I just do? Let's figure this out first. Okay, we're figuring this out. So it's 3, 1. You're in a very adventageous, for God's sakes, location for observing and nesting. Alright, let's go. It's 3, 1. What is it? 3, 1. Come on, throw me a freaking bone here. I reckon it's 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. I reckon it's 3, 1, 4. It's definitely 3, 1, 4. And I bet that's what you used to take the fuel up. So damn good. Because there's 4 eggs. It's got to be 3, 1, 4. God's sakes, what's going on? Holy shit, yes. Got it right, let's go. Oh, jeez, what's going on? Did I just get high? Oh, more tea. Thank you. Okay, we've got a fuse box. Got ladders. Well, as much as I really want to continue...
So, this is what you were working on for so long.
As much as I want to continue, it is getting late. I've been playing for a little longer than I should have. Yeah, it's about 11 o'clock in Australia, so I'm going to go to bed. Got a big day tomorrow. Drop the kid off at kindergarten and do some work stuff. So this game is super fun. I'm having such a good time playing it. It's super interesting. It's awesome, like, puzzles in the game, which is something I just love in video games. So I can't wait to play more. We'll probably do another one tomorrow night. So by the time this video gets released, I don't know, but if we finish the game or what. But anyway, if you like watching these videos, like I always said, please like the video. Leave a comment. Let me know what I should work on. Any feedback is great feedback. And if you want to see more, you know, don't be afraid to hit subscribe, because I love making these videos. I love playing these games and can't wait to do more. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.